Hello, my name is Noura Bali. Today, I am going to talk about Areca nut. First of all, we should know that Areca nut is considered a hallucinogenic plant. But what does hallucinogenic plants mean? Hallucinogenic plants are also called psychoactive plants. When people ingest these plants, it will lead to psychotropic effects. People started using them since they first started collecting plants for food. Ingestion of these plants will lead to a change in perception, mood, and cognitive processes. They affect all the senses. They also can cause many types of hallucinations, such as olfactory, auditory, visual, and tactile hallucinations, in addition to flashbacks. Areca nut seed comes from Areca catechu palm. This palm has beautiful fruits that have yellow-red color. It also contains seeds that have brown color and look like nutmeg. Another name for them is betel nut. This palm needs warm, humid, and tropical climate to be cultivated. Areca catechu is native to the Malaysian peninsula. It has a long history of cultivation in Southeast Asia. Chewing betel nut appeared in the 1st century before Christ. It was used in ancient Greek, Chinese, Europe, Arab world, and Western Pacific. They used it after meals because they believed that it helps in digestion and to remove mucus and bad breath. Betel nut is chewed by 200 million people. They wrap a small piece of the betel nut seed in the leaf and add to it slaked lime and spices as they want, such as cardamom, coconut, and saffron. This is called the betel quid. Betel nut contains alkaloids, tannins, flavonoids, triterpenoids, steroids, in addition to fatty acids, which are found in the peel. It also contains polysaccharides, such as galactose and sucrose, which work as antioxidants. The main active ingredient is ercolline, which is a pyridine alkaloid. It is also responsible for the addictive and toxic effects. It is lipophilic, which crosses the blood-brain barrier easily. Content of ercolline keeps decreasing according to each period of betel nut, from young fruit until full maturity. Betel nut has a bitter taste due to the presence of tannins. Flavonoids give betel nut different biological activities. Ercolline is a monoamine oxidase A inhibitor, which prevents the breakdown of neurotransmitters and increases dopamine and serotonin concentrations in the brain, which is responsible for euphoria and happiness. It acts as acetylcholine, which stimulates the parasympathetic neurons by activating M receptors. It is also considered a strong gamma-aminobutyric acid uptake inhibitor. Betel nut has antibacterial and antiparasitic activities, so it is used to treat malaria. It also has hypotensive and diuretic effects. It is used to treat other diseases such as beriberi, abdominal pain, and digestive problems. It has an effect in decreasing blood glucose sugar level after meals. Betel nut mainly causes red teeth. It also causes reproductive and hepatotoxicities, in addition to chronic kidney disease. It also can cause bronchoconstriction. It is known to be carcinogenic, especially oral cancers. Oral submucosal fibrosis is a persistent white marble-like appearance of the oral mucosa. It is characterized by inflammation and progressive fibrosis. It can lead to malignant transformation. Leukoplakia, which appears as thick white patches on the inside surfaces of the mouth, is also one of the side effects of chewing betel nut. Betel nut is the fourth most used psychotropic drug in the world. It causes sedative effects, euphoria, and increased well-being. It increases body temperature and sweating. It also causes palpitation and increase in alertness. Chewing betel nut can cause hearing sounds that are not exist. In another word, auditory hallucinations. After long-term consumption of betel nut, withdrawal symptoms can occur, such as sleep disorders, anxiety, and mood swings. Simple drugs that are used for cigarette cessation can be used as a treatment for betel nut addiction. Areca is a prescription-only medicine. Therefore, it is illegal to possess or sell without proper authority. As I said, betel nut is considered as a hallucinogen plant. It comes from Areca catechu palm. It is consumed by chewing. It is known to have many pharmacological effects, but remember, it also has many harmful effects. Symptoms of betel nut addiction is bad, so people should be careful and they should avoid it. Thank you.